A quiet Sunday rolled in with the sound of rain. Inside the van, everything felt warm and safe. Raindrops slid down the window, slowing time. Hot coffee warmed the cold, rainy morning. Silence felt peaceful, filled only by rain.
It smells delicious! Almost ready, my little chefs!
They shared a simple meal together. The road paused beside a quiet river. Fishing was about the moment, not the catch. Wet shoes returned to warm light. Evening wrapped them in comfort. The rain softened as night arrived. The van rested in peaceful silence. Sleep came gently to tired eyes. The parents enjoyed one last quiet moment. The van slept beneath the falling rain. A perfect Sunday faded into mist. The rain slowly softened, as if the day was breathing out. She watched the rain quietly, smiling at the calm it brought. The children played softly, careful not to break the peace. Warm drinks were refilled, keeping the comfort alive. Soft music filled the van, blending gently with the rain. Outside, rain touched the world with quiet patience. They sat close together, sharing warmth and silence. Late night settled in, calm and unhurried.
Did everyone have a good time at Grandma's? Yes, it was lovely! Can we listen to a story?